Seal, any of 32 species of web-footed aquatic mammals that live chiefly in cold seas and whose body shape, round at the middle and tapered at the ends, is adapted to swift and graceful swimming. There are two types of seals, the earless, family Phacidae, and the eared seals, family Otariidae, which comprise the sea lions and fur seals. In addition to the presence of external ears, eared seals have longer flippers than do earless seals. Also, the fur of eared seals is more apparent, especially in sea lions. Seals are carnivores, eating mainly fish, though some also consume squid, other mollusks, and crustaceans. Unlike other seals, the leopard seal, Hydroergoleptonix, of the Antarctic feeds largely on penguins, seabirds, and other seals, in addition to fish and krill. The main predators of seals are killer whales, polar bears, leopard seals, large sharks, and human beings. Watch the video till then to get some interesting facts about this cute animal. Seals are part of the pinniped order of marine mammals, which also includes sea lions, walruses and fur seals. There are 33 species of pinnipeds in the world, and all are believed to have evolved from once terrestrial otter-like creatures. Seals prefer cold sea waters and are primarily found in the Arctic and Antarctic regions. In the wild, seals can live for up to 30 years, with females boasting a higher life expectancy than males. The smallest seal species is the Galapagos fur seal, 1 meter in length and 45 kilograms in weight, whilst the largest is the southern elephant seal, which weighs a whopping 3,850 kilograms and measures up to 5 meters in length. Some seal species, like the leopard seal, feed off fellow seals. Most, however, feed off crustaceans, fish and seabirds, if they can catch them. The crab-eater seal, which can be spotted on an Antarctic cruise, boasts the largest population of all the seal species. Estimates put their numbers at between 2 and 75 million individuals worldwide. As cute and friendly as they may look, seals can actually be fervently territorial and quite aggressive. Seals can sleep underwater, and usually only come on land, to escape predators like whales and sharks, as well as to mate, give birth, feed and molt. Some seals can dive up to 900 meters in depth, and some can hold their breath underwater, for up to 2 hours. A seal mom's milk can be up to 50% fat, and pups can put on 2 kilograms a day. That should make you feel a little better about your Christmas and New Year calorific splurge. Seals have been hunted throughout history, with their fat and fur being highly coveted. Although a great majority of species are not endangered, the Galapagos fur seal is one of the exceptions. Seals are still a highly protected mammal in most parts of the world. Over the last century, various species have gone extinct, including the Caribbean monk seal and Japanese sea lion. In Antarctic waters, there is a restricted amount of seal harvesting still being allowed. The main species hunted are crab-eater, leopard, and Weddell seals. In Gisborne, New Zealand, a resident elephant seal, named Homer, had an infamous reputation for hooliganism. He used to routinely overturn parked cars in town and once even knocked over a restaurant's power supply box. Experts believe that Homer's energetic rubbings were actually ever so slightly misguided sexual advances. Seals boast a gestation period of about 11 months, but the longest pregnancy in the pinniped family belongs to the walrus, which is pregnant for about 16 months. Mother and baby seals recognize each other through a familiar call, with a study in Alaska finding that mum-bub recognition was possible even after a 4-year-long separation. A study in the Falkland Islands proved that alpha male elephant seals are quite the possessive Don Juans. In one colony alone, over 92% of pups born at any given time were fathered by the group's alpha male alone, and up to 72% of all other males in the colony had never been observed mating at all. If you are new to us, please subscribe and press the bell icon to see such videos. Share the video with your friends and relatives. Like the video and stay connected for another exciting video. Thanks for watching.